shit, boys. We're back on the fucking motorcycle. I got the GoPro on the fucking helmet and everything. This is crazy. I haven't done this shit in, I think, like almost half a year at this point. Oh, but yeah, as you can see by the change of scenery and the fact that we're out in the middle of fucking nowhere in the woods, I moved. So yeah, I moved. The riding's gonna be a little bit sloppy because, like I said, I really haven't been on the bike that much. It's been at the place I lived at before when I filmed motovlogs before. It's been there. I just got it back over here a couple days ago. So I've been riding a decent amount. You know, obviously I have other projects going on right now too with the place I'm actually going to be living in. So I've been doing flooring work and building furniture and just rearranging all my stuff basically. And I decided, I was like, I got my GoPro, I got my bike, and don't get me wrong, I've still been doing content. It's just been different content. I've been doing like gaming content because I've always really liked doing gaming content, so I've been doing that. If y'all want to check me out, I'll put it up on the screen right here. Yeah, so basically I play a lot of Call of Duty and shit like that. I like to snipe. I think I'm pretty good at it. So if that's something y'all are interested in, feel free to go fucking check that shit out. And also, I like to stream, you know, more than just Call of Duty. But yeah, I stream on Twitch occasionally here and there. It used to be every day, but I got a lot going on that I'm doing right now, so I just kind of stream when I can. But yeah, we are in South Georgia, as you can see by fucking these inlets, these creeks and stuff. You got all the grass and shit. Very flat out here. The roads are kind of boring. They're pretty straight for the most part. I haven't explored a whole lot out here though, so some of the other roads out here could probably be better. I just don't know where they're at yet. But it's peaceful, man. It's so fucking peaceful out here. Pretty small area that we live in, but I'm still close to a bunch of cool places. Like, you know, I'm about like an hour and 20 minutes or so from Tybee Island, and like 40 minutes, 50 minutes or so from downtown Savannah. So it's pretty sick. I like the area. You know, we're out in the middle of nowhere. It's peaceful. It's peaceful. Fuck. It's peaceful and all that shit. But if you still want to go out and do shit and have fun, there's places to go do that. So it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. I like it. When we get back at the end of this video, I will show y'all the area I've been working on. It's a fucking mess right now. I'm in the middle of building a fucking rolling bar thing. So that's just strode all over the fucking place. And the flooring isn't completely done yet. And some of the trim pieces are still need to be put up. But like, it's a work in progress. I just needed to go get my stuff from the place I was living and move it in. So it's like close to fully furnished, not quite. I still got to get a couch in there, maybe like a coffee table and some other things, a better desk than the one I have now, and we'll be good. But it's so peaceful, man. I love fucking having my own area. I've never had like my actual own area, and it's sick. I've been staying in there for the past like 3 days now, and I fucking love it, man. It's just like I can play on the game and I can just like say whatever the fuck I want and be loud a little bit and not have to worry about like other people being in the house with me. It's like, basically, let me explain it. So it's basically a shed, right? There's a shed, my great grandmother's house, and then my grandma's house, and I'm in between both. And the shed was just like a storage shed with like a garage door and all that, just like an extension of the house where you would keep all like the lawn maintenance tools and stuff like that. But my grandma was like, if you move down here, we could renovate it. So that's what we did. And you know, it was a lot of fucking work, and it's not perfect by any means, because me, my mom, my grandma, and my stepdad worked on it, and we didn't know what we were doing. Like, we've never done like framing, or like, we've done stuff here and there, you know, but like we've never done a project on this scale, and it was a lot of firsts for us. So we just kind of put all our knowledge together on what we could figure out and tried to fucking get it going. And I would say it turned out okay. I would say we did pretty damn good for not knowing. It looks good. I did a time lapse of pretty much everything that we did to the place up until this date. There's a little bit that I missed out because the project took a little longer than I expected, and I you know, just didn't film some of it. But I do have like 18 minutes or so of time lapse of us transforming the place, and obviously I gotta film some more of like the finished product, and I don't know when the video is actually going to be going live, but you know, because I'm still working on it. It's still a work in progress. I don't want to upload it and be like, oh, it's finished, when it's not finished. So that's kind of where I'm at with it right now. There'll be a more in-depth video showing if y'all are interested in it. I just thought it would be a cool concept. I'd never done a project like that, and I like to record things, obviously. So I was like, all right, fuck it, we'll make a cool little video out of this. If I don't even end up uploading it, I'll have it for my own personal fucking use to look back on and be like, holy shit, we fucking did this, and this is how. Like I said, bro, I moved. These roads are fucking straight and boring, as you can tell. We've just been going completely straight, no fucking twisties. It's flat as fuck. I don't even know where we're at right now. Man, it's so peaceful, like, just laying down in bed at night, and I just got like my little fake electric fireplace heater thing going with its LED flickering light shit going on. It's just lit, man. It's just so quiet and peaceful, and it's like my own area that I fucking did, you know, or helped do. It's sick, man. It's so sick. Getting used to what the cop cars look like around here, so I'm just trying to be cautious, because the place where I lived at before, I had lived there like fucking my whole life, so I just like know where the cops would sit. I know like what the cop cars look like and all that stuff. I don't know shit about here, bro. I got a fucking ticket right in my car because I was speeding in a school zone and the cameras caught me, but like the school lights weren't flashing. I was just speeding faster than that bug was big as fuck. What the John? Yeah, I was speeding in the regular speed. It just, you know, the speed zone thing right there, the cameras, they captured me. It was like a 55 speed limit, and I was going like 67 or some shit. It's only like a $75 fine, so not too bad. And I really fucking hope it doesn't go on my record or count towards my insurance, because fuck that. I will tell you what, it's a little bit fucking nipply in this damn shade and shit. Get some little downshifts going, see if I can manage. Dude, that fucking pop on the upshift, oh, that shit was so sexy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it from the wind noise, but I think it was on like 4th gear or something, I'm not too sure. Because I don't have a gear counter, but that upshift, bro, it said whop. I was like, damn, boy. Tickled my fucking pickle a little bit on that one. Man, it feels fucking fantastic to be on something fast, baby. A little K-truck. That's sick. I would love to have one of those one day. I like that truck too. Boy, I should have put on a damn jacket. I was thinking, I was like, oh, it feels pretty good. I don't know, man. It feels good when you're not on a motorcycle going 70 miles per hour or more. Let's pull over here. I want to show you all this little creek. Yeah, these little creeks are fucking cool, man. I like them. They're just not, you know, super motorcycle access friendly, but you know, we can maintain. It's just a little bit of fucking sand. And that's the weird part, man. It's not even dirt down here. It's fucking sand and shit. It's wild. It's crazy how just like a 4-hour difference in the same state, shit just completely fucking changes. Ugh. What the hell are those? Somebody lost their damn shirt out here. People are gonna be like, what the fuck, this guy's walking around with a helmet on talking to himself. I don't give a shit. I don't know if y'all can see, but like, look at all the fishing lures just stuck on the power line right there. People need to learn how to cast a little better. And I'm not sure how much I trust these planks, but it's dirty. It's some dirty ass water. I'd love to go fishing down here though. Somebody had some type of trap out here. This does not look sturdy. What the fuck? Yeah, I just don't know how to fish down here, man. I don't know. I have no clue on how you would do that. I'm so used to up where I live that all this brackish water is just confusing as shit to me. I don't know what kind of fish are in there. I don't know what they like to eat. I don't know how to catch them. Nothing. I'm used to just my freshwater pond fishing, lake fishing, largemouth bass, crappie, bluegills, and catfish. I don't know what the fuck's in there. Do a little bike spinning trick. Oh, I love doing that, bro. I feel like it catches people off guard too when they see you, you know? Especially me, because I'm like a smaller, skinny build. And I just fucking lean it over and fucking tilt it and swing it around. You're probably like, what the fuck? How'd he do that? You know, it looks a lot more impressive than it actually is basically what I'm trying to say. Let me try not to dump my bike over in the sand. I just wanted to fucking get back on the bike, make a little video for y'all. It's been a minute. And like I said, I'm doing other content as well, so if that's some shit y'all like or want to look into because you just like my goofy ass style of content or whatever it may fucking be, feel free to go check me out on my other socials and whatnot. Show y'all the little shed we renovated real quick. Starting off, we got my little PC setup area. We got the computer back there on the nightstand. This is all temporary. We got my fireplace on a dresser. Nice little corner shelf. Got the guitar, the fan. My boy Apollo, how are you doing? We got the walls not on yet because we have to do some plumbing stuff back there on the other side. So we left this bare. Going up here, we got another door. We're painting, we're still finishing up on that. Got a ceiling fan, glass sliding doors, need some more trim pieces. Then we have my kitchenette area. That is a microwave and a air fryer all in one. Little mini fridge, storage, trash can. I gotta finish up some flooring right over here. A pegboard wall, and then we got little, you know, bar breakfast seating area. This is just temporary. I didn't know where else to put the little mini fridge right there, so it's just up there for now because it's out of the way. Corner shelf, got the TV set up on one of my dressers for now, but it looks kind of nice. I don't mind it. And then we got, you know, obviously the recliner right here. We're gonna have a couch going in this section. I just got to get it from inside, and it's really heavy. And then we got a shelf with a bunch of random crap on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Boys, with that being said, I'll fucking see y'all later.